What's up, West Village real estate people? It's me, David from Sirhan, and I'm here at my newest listing, 25 Charles Street, 3D. Here are the 5 things I love about this listing. Number 1, you've got 5 window bays looking into the most beautiful townhouse backyards in the West Village. Number 2, this beautiful exposed brick. Number 3, a washer dryer. Number 4, this amazing building that's recently been renovated and enjoys fob access. And number 5, this unbelievable location. You're on Charles Street, just west of 7th Avenue, surrounded by the best bars, schools, everything you could ask for, and much, much more. If you'd like to learn more about this fantastic opportunity, reach out to me, David of the Rosen team at Sirhan. I am the key.